What's up guys, it's Keaton Kalani's behind the camera, and today we are doing a tail light mod to the BRZ. A long time ago we had a Tom's install video and it was pretty garbage, and these got switched back on for a couple different reasons, but they got switched back on, and today we're going to put this on. This is a Diode Dynamics turn or tail as turn module. So basically what it does is it makes this light right here your brake light and your turn signal, and this light is either not used, or you can use this little guy right here and it goes down to the reverse light, and you can put some extra reverse light LEDs up here and it makes it super bright and fantastic. But we will show you the difference between how it operates now and how it operates when we're finished, and we'll show you how to do it. Alright guys, so the first step is obviously going to be to remove anything like this if you happen to have it. And then remove the trunk floor, which is pretty easy. Just grab the sides, fold it up, and then lift it up and it slides right out. Now once you're into here, obviously I have a mess because I keep a tow strap and jump cables and a couple of Hot Wheels cars that I bought a long time ago, just sitting in the spare tire for no reason. But anyway, once you get to that point, I have also had this system installed before, so we're kind of going to skip over part of the install, which is running the line down to the reverse light. Actually, I lied, I don't need the screwdriver yet. Then you're going to pop this out. You need your hand to move. But most of the time this is held in with pop clips, but I've taken this car apart enough times so that the pop clips are not in there anymore because they either got broken or lost. So I can just pull it right out, which is what you can do after the pop clips are gone. And then once you get to this point, just gotta twist that and get it out, and then put it in your pocket or something so you don't lose it. And then, as you can see, this can move down and out of the way. Perfect. Yes. And then I have a whole bunch of wire mess, but you'll unplug the tail light. Alright, so after you've got this popped out, or really before, I guess, it wouldn't really matter, but right here is the light for the turn signal, and if you have LEDs to switch into it, that is what you will take out. And you don't really want to touch it with your hands, so I'm going to grab it with the shop towel. Just pops right out like that. And then this new, well, not new, I've used them before, but this beautiful LED will, doesn't matter which way it goes, I don't believe, will pop right in, and then you gotta snake this bad boy back around, which is the hardest part, to get it down in where the old turn signal was, and just lock it back down. And then you take this little guy right here, and this piece goes into the part that's connected to the tail light, just like that, and this piece gets popped into the car's harness, just like that. Alright, so after this stuff is put in, this is the wire that connects all of the stuff to the reverse light so that the LEDs up in the tail lights will turn on. So you're just gonna connect that right in there. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side when we do it. And then the connection for the reverse lights is right down here. So we're just gonna connect that down into there, and then it should be all good. Alright guys, so now that we are done with that, this side can be buttoned back up. So in my car this is much easier than it would be in some BRZs because I've just lost a bunch of pop clips and don't care to replace them. So just gotta make sure that weather stripping fits over it so it seals correctly, and then pull your handy dandy pop clip back out of your pocket and pop it right in. And then we're done with this side. We're gonna do the other side without filming it since we just showed you on this side and it's the exact same process. And then we'll show you the differences. All right, so the car is completely put back together. We've already tested everything to make sure it works just fine, but Kalani timed me and it only took 1 minute and 53 seconds to do the entire passenger side of the car. So it's a pretty quick and easy thing to do, but Kalani is gonna go start it up and demonstrate what it does. Pump it into reverse, all of these light up and they are very, very bright. And that I think is the best reason to do this mod. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video and would like to see more of stuff like this.